Hi, I am Mona and I'm here to talk about generative AI fine-tuning because that has been my focus area from last 1.5 year. One of the question I hear when people start fine-tuning is what is open source model versus what is closed source model, and another question they ask is what is small language model, what is medium language model, and what is a large language model. So you might have heard these questions. So in this video, I'm going to talk about difference between open source and closed source model. And in the next video, I will cover what is the difference between large language model versus small language model versus medium language model when it comes to fine tuning. Um, Talking about open source and closed source model. An open source model is something which is the company has given you the weights of the model and it is open to all. A very popular open source model is Llama, MetaLlama, and closed source model are like the companies have the secret recipe with themselves. They have not given the model weights to the public. And very popular closed source models is GPT, ChatGPT, which we all use, and Gemini, as well as Amazon has its own model called Amazon Nova. And I will tell you where to find the closed source model. However, in order to learn where to find the open source model, there is a place where you can find all open source model and use it for fine tuning. Um, if you write open source in the comment, I'm going to send you the link where you can find all the models. Thank you.